I did notice while I was out driving, somebody's mom was passing by in a van and she was putting them glasses down, you know, checking it out. So I'm gonna go drive my truck today a little bit, just put some miles on it, get it, you know, it's got a brand new motor in it, and it's been sitting up for about a year now. Put another 4.6 in it. This is a PI 4.6. This is a 97 model truck. And I've had this truck since I was in high school. It's been sitting up for the past year. The head gasket was leaking for a few years in it, and I was finally like, screw it, I'm gonna tear it apart. And like, I'm not just gonna do a head gasket on a motor. It's got 300-something thousand miles. I don't know, God knows how many miles. The more I dug into the old motor, the worse it got. I went ahead and I was like, well, if I'm taking the heads off, then it needs chains, and then it's basically a short block then, and with all the timing cover off and everything, I was like, well, that old motor was just kind of wore out. It's so funny driving this truck. I've been daily driving my first gen Cummins for the past year, and I'm just so used to it. You know, they're two completely different trucks. The D350, it's way heavier. It's a 5-speed. I kind of wish this truck had a 5-speed in it now. But I'm gonna be honest with you, I never thought I'd be driving a Dodge as long as I did, and actually kind of liking it. But I like the Cummins part, you know, it made noises that makes me happy. Passenger side window is whistling. I got manual windows in this truck. I need to fix that too. I tried putting some 3M tape up there one time and that didn't work. This truck's got the manual 4-wheel drive shifter in it, an odometer that doesn't work. This odometer's been stuck at 157,000 miles since like 2013, whenever I got the truck. I did the math, and the truck should have about 300,000 on it, just kind of a rough estimate. But I think it's cool that there's people that actually like this truck and just like wanted to see more of it. This truck really means a lot to me. It's been with me through a lot. It's been with me on you know, some good days, and it's been with me on some really crappy days. It won't run with my 5.0 Mustang. A 5.0 Coyote swap would have been cool, but realistically, real life for somebody like me, I'm like, dude, I got my other stuff. I got a 5.0 Mustang. It's not feasible for me. I just need to do this simple and easy, get it back on the road. So I went with another 4.6. And to be honest with you, I know a lot of people try to talk crap about them. These trucks are almost like the equivalent of a Toyota Hilux. The way that you can beat on them. This truck has been sunk, it's been on fire, total out of Saturn, run into a bomb shelter, don't ask questions. My life gets difficult. I love a 4.6 2-valve motor. I love the Mustangs, the old New Edge Mustangs and SN95s. This is a fun curve to go through in the Mustang. Like, you just downshift it and you're like, whee! I was coming through there one time on Mustang, and I did that, and it was a little bit wet that day, and she started doing the Tokyo drift thing on me, started getting a little sideways like Paul Wall, and I ain't gonna lie, I was puckering a little bit, praying that Jesus would take the wheel through that curve. Sorry if my videos ain't too good. I really just been like doing some of this with my iPhone, and I got a crappy GoPro that overheats, and it's a piece of crap. And I got a, look, an electric scooter for sale. Anyways, you know, my videos ain't the best, but I think it's cool that people actually kind of like this truck. So, but I'm gonna try to take the best care I can of this truck now. I was a stupid teenager whenever I first got it. I go mud riding all the time, go hit the pipeline and stuff like that. Go sink in some black mud or get stuck in some red clay. I remember my old hunt club, there's this road, everybody's like, oh, that's a bad road over there, you don't want to go over there. Everybody in my hunt club had Toyota Tacomas, my uncle, my cousin, a few other guys. They had like 33s and 35s on them. And they'd be struggling to get down that little red, muddy dirt road. And my cousin, he was like, I bet you won't go down there. All right. And this truck had a set of Canati mud hogs on it back then. I sent it down through that muddy, down that little red clay road, and I just let it eat. You know, we're gonna get stuck. Think again, faggot.
Ricky Rudd and Earnhardt now move down to the inside. You see Earnhardt down there trying to pick up the draft off Ricky Rudd. Rudd on the...
These folks up here, they working at the marriage and waterfall. I'll pull in and holler at them real quick. I'm getting all this stuff. My rear view mirror, it just popped off there. That's excellent. I keep my eyes on the road. So I'm super happy to have this thing running again. It's great seeing this truck all cleaned up how it should be. Still haven't ditched the ling-longs yet, but I plan on doing it eventually. I'm gonna keep it running right now. The battery, it acted like it was getting kind of weak. Stopped at the store, got something to drink, and come back out there. That battery ain't gonna last much longer in it, but my alternator's working. I did notice while I was out driving, somebody's mom was passing by in a van and she was putting them glasses down, you know, checking it out. She could get it.